Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we got an unboxing. This is the Google Pixel 11 Pro XL. This is a 512 gigabyte model with 16 gigs of RAM in the lovely Canyon colorway. The regular size Pro phone will cost you $1,099 for the base 256 gigabytes. But that only comes with 12 gigs of RAM, so you must upgrade to the 512 gigabyte or higher if you're looking for that 16 gigabytes of RAM. For this phone exact, it will run you $1,419. Google does have trade-in deals which can significantly drop the price of the phone. I'll leave a link down below. So let's get into the unboxing. You have a pull tab here that you pull. Then you just slide the phone. Here it is, typical Google fashion. You are met with the device. To the side. In the box, you do have a USB-C to USB-C cable, but once again, no charging brick. Personally, I think it's crazy how we spend over $1,000 and they're still not providing a brick in the box. And Google's not the only one who does this. Samsung's also guilty of this, as well as Apple and Sony. Sony doesn't even give you a cable, so that's even worse. Here's the device. And I feel like this is its biggest drawback right here. There's no more physical SIM card, so you have to go to eSIM if you want to use this device. So when I first saw this color leak online, I knew that I had to get my hands on it. Here's the device. This color is very similar to like a salmon color. Ooh, this gold frame really complements this color. Wow, this is actually a very beautiful phone. I think I like it more than the Z Fold 8 pistachio colorway. So this phone also comes in olive, fog, and matte obsidian, which is like your black colorway. So with the XL, you do get a 6.8 Actua display. So let's power it on. It is. And if you were to offer the regular Pro one, it would come in a 6.3 display. So the biggest highlight, what Google calls it, this right here, which is normally a flash. Well, it's still a flash, but Google calls it its highlight feature. It was rumored to be called Pixel Glow, and in my opinion, that sounds better than highlight. And essentially what it is, it's an RGB light that you can, change colors or designate certain contacts a certain color, and when they call you, it would blink. So kind of like, like the old Androids or like the Blackberries used to do. However, it's very limited, and right now it only works for calling with contacts and I believe talking to Gemini. But I did hear that Google is going to bring this feature out to Google Messages, so that's a plus, and I look forward to trying that out. I look forward to testing out the new camera features like Magic Capture, where essentially you take a video and the camera automatically takes still shots so you never miss a moment. I also look forward to testing out the new camera looks, which allows you to change between different presets. So I'll be testing this device for the next few weeks and give you my full review of what it's like to use and live with day to day. I will test things like the camera, the battery life, and just the everyday activity. Please like and subscribe and comment down below what you would like for me to test out. Thank you for watching. Till next time, bye.